In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to give mouse control in Zoom, a very handy feature for seamless collaborative meetings. This option is particularly useful when you need someone else to drive for a moment, whether you're walking through a presentation, offering tech support, or collaborating on a project that requires input directly on your screen. Before you start, ensure you're hosting the meeting because mouse control can only be given by the host. Now let me guide you through the process step by step. First, launch the Zoom application on your computer. If you haven't installed it yet, go ahead and download it from the Zoom website. With Zoom up and running, you'll either want to start a new meeting or join an existing one as the host. Being the host gives you permissions that a regular participant doesn't have, which is crucial for this function. As the meeting begins, look toward the bottom of your Zoom window. Here, you'll find a toolbar with several options. Click on Share Screen. This is your gateway to showing your screen to other participants. A menu will pop up displaying all the open windows and applications on your computer. Choose the specific window or application you want to share with your meeting participants. Once you've selected the correct window, click Share at the bottom right of this menu. Now that you're sharing your screen, you will see a floating bar at the top of your screen. This bar gives you various controls over the screen sharing process. Click on View Options, which you'll find at the very top, likely nestled in as a drop-down menu. Within this menu, look for the option labeled Request Give Remote Control and click on it. At this point, a new submenu opens up. Here, you want to select Give Mouse Keyboard Control. An essential tip here is to be cautious and ensure you only provide control to a trusted participant, as they will have control over your mouse and keyboard inputs. A list of participants will be displayed. Select the participant you want to give control to. Once control is granted, the chosen participant will be able to use their mouse and keyboard to interact with your shared content as though they were sitting right in front of your computer. This can be incredibly efficient for team tasks, but make sure you're ready to regain control as needed. Simply click Escape or go back to the remote control option to revoke access. And there you have it, an efficient way to enhance collaboration in your Zoom meetings. With these steps, you can easily give control to another participant, making your sessions more interactive and engaging. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.